Hi, how are you guys? My name is Ben. I'm here to demonstrate how to set up this etching machine and show you guys how to use it. Okay, now because of this is 5,000 watts, so wow, that's a dodgy wiring, but we'll just set it up, show you how to use it. Use 4mm cable, and there's 220 volts for this one, and there's a hose from here at the back of the machine. There's a hose. This hose is for pumping the salt water. So you should have a bucket with salt water and put this hose into the bucket. And then on the left hand side of the machine, and you can see there will be another hose for it. That's for the, after the etching, the water will leak through these small holes, and that's where all the water coming out from. So put that hose and connect another hose. Put two separate holes into one bucket. Okay, guys, please notice this machine at the back. And there will be, you see that box there? That's for your pump, for the water pump. So you can plug your pump into the socket set there. Switch your power and see, we have a 2mm board, metal board, aluminium. Put it on here, and that's the brush. And now you need to turn on. Okay, watch carefully and push motor start. Now you need to check the gap between the board and the brush. So say about 1mm, the gap should be 1mm. Well, depends how you want it, but 1mm is very good for me. And then stop. And what you're gonna do is unscrew these screws to lose the frame, and then slide the board inside the frame and then screw in. So I'll just quickly show you here, right? Just push in. So say now it's done. Once we set up the board, and we need to set up the distance for the brush to go. So let's come to the back of the machine. Now you can see there's 1, 2, 3 knocks here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, this knock is for adjusting the height of the brush. Say if you want to adjust the gap between the board is 3mm, and you might need to unscrew it so the brush will come up. So now, and the other knock is for the distance for the brush to go. And now say, okay, So now, just check the distance first. Okay, see the brush is going. Okay, it's a little bit too much, right? So we just let it keep going now, and come to the back. Okay, so we quickly unscrew here. So what I did, I quickly unscrew here so I can adjust the distance. Say I want to push there, so the brush will stop there, and you can see where it stops. Okay, a little bit further. Maybe. Say I'm happy with it now, so I tied it up, and coming back to here, so you can see. Alright, that's where it is brushing. So that's how you adjust the distance for brushing. So we just put a stop. Okay, we set up the board nicely and set up the distance. And so come back here. Come back to this control board here. So the main switch is to switch on the etching power. So you need to switch that on. Say I switch that on, and then you need to push the pump switch. So we're pumping the water from, you can see there's a hose there. We'll pump the water from the bucket from there, and then you push etching start, so it will start etching, and then you push the motor start, and then as it's etching, and the motor will go left and right, so we'll start etching, and we come down here. There's motor speed, etching time. So you can set up the time. Say I want etching for, now is, wow, okay, now I want etching for, okay, say I want etching for 10 seconds. That's how you set it up. And that's for the speed of the brush goes. So to turn left, the brush will go slow. Turn right, the brush will go very high. It's very simple. And come down to here on the left bottom. Etching voltage adjust. So that means if you adjust, turn it right, and it will give you a high voltage. The more etching, the more power for etching. And if you turn it right up, and you can see the voltage here and the voltage here will go, as that go higher, and these both meter will tells you they are going higher as well. So I start it over again. So first, switch on. And then turn on here. Turn on here. Turn on speed. Pump switch. Start etching. And then see I set up the time for 10 seconds. And then motor starts. And it will go. So after 10 seconds it will stop. So this is how you using the etching machine. Thank you.